Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Edurba Academy. I am Kevin sir, your tutor, and in lecture number 3 of integers, we are going to study the comparison of integers and we are also going to solve practice set number 7. Let's begin to learn. So here we have a number line. I have already explained number lines multiple times, but still we need to understand number lines in order to compare the integers. We have 0 here, which is origin, and then we have positive numbers on the right side and we have negative numbers on the left side. Now if you observe, any number which is on the right side will be always greater than the number in the left side. So 4 is always going to be greater than 3, or 6 is always going to be greater than 5, or 1 is always going to be greater than 0. 0 is always going to be greater than -1, or -2 is always going to be greater than -3. So if two integers are given, you have to simply find out which one of them will come to the right side on the number line, and that is going to be greater integer. So let's do that. So out of 4 and -3, which will come on the right side? So 4 comes here, -3 comes here, so 4 is on the right side. That means 4 has to be bigger than -3. Similarly, between 0 and -1, 0 comes here, -1 comes here, and we know that 0 comes on the right side. That means 0 has to be greater than -1. Now we have -2 and -3. Many of you find it tricky when both the numbers are minus. That's why we have to be very careful. So you have to find them out on the integer line. So you see here -2 is here and -3 is here, and -2 is at the right side. That means -2 will be greater than -3. You have to use this principle. Whichever number is on the right side, that will be always greater than the left side number. So with this it becomes easier. 7 will be on the right side of -12. 7 will be greater. 1 will be greater than 0. Here we have 3 and -3. So we know that 3 will be on the right side, -3 will be on the left side. So 3 will be greater. Here we have -11 and -11. Both are equal. Here also we have 7 and 7. That means both are equal. So as far as you understand that any number which is on the right side is always greater than the left side number, it will be easy to compare the numbers. Now with this, let's solve set number 7 in your textbook. So here again I have shown the number line for your reference. Now you should be able to imagine it. Instead of looking at the number line, you should be able to imagine where the numbers are, and then you should be able to compare it. Now here in the first problem we have -4 and 5, and we know that 5 is at the right side, so 5 is bigger than -4. 8 and -10, we know that 8 is at the right side. +9 and +9, both are equal. -6 and 0, we know that 0 is here and -6 is here, so 0 is at the right side, and that's why 0 has to be greater than -6. We have 7 and 4, so 7 is greater than 4. We have 3 and 0, and 3 is greater than 0. Here we have -7 and 7, we know that 7 will be always greater than -7. We have -12 and 5. 5 is on the right side, so 5 has to be greater than -12. We have -2 and -8. Both are negative. That means we have to be very careful. We have to see that -2 is on the right side, and after that -8 will come to the left side. So -2 always has to be greater. Here we have -1 and -2. Again -2 will come to the right side, so -1 is bigger than -2. 6 and -3, which is very simple. 6 is greater than -3. And here -14, -14, that means they both are equal. So that's how you can solve your practice set number 7. Hopefully you enjoyed this lesson. In the next class, we are going to study how to subtract the integers. So see you in the next class.